What's plastic-free packaging? Let's get started. What does plastic-free packaging actually mean?
Plastic-free packaging means packaging made without petroleum-based plastics. It uses materials like paper, cardboard, glass, or plant fibers.
How is it different from biodegradable or compostable packaging?
Biodegradable packaging may still contain plastics that break down slowly, while plastic-free avoids plastics altogether. Compostable packaging is designed to break down fully under specific conditions.
Are paper bags always considered plastic-free?
Paper bags are usually plastic-free, but some have thin plastic coatings.
Can plastic-free packaging still contain linings?
Yes, some packaging has hidden linings. For example, coffee cups may look paper-based, but have a plastic film.
Is glass or metal packaging part of the plastic-free category?
Yes. Glass and metal packaging are considered plastic-free. They are reusable and recyclable, making them eco-friendly options.
Is plastic-free packaging more expensive than regular packaging?
Plastic-free packaging can be more expensive at first, but costs drop as demand and production increase.
Does it keep food fresh for the same amount of time?
It may not keep food fresh as long as plastic, but innovations like wax-coated paper or reusable glass jars help.
Is it safe for storing liquids or oily products?
Yes. It is safe for liquids and oils, especially when using glass bottles or compostable plant-based films.
Can I recycle plastic-free packaging easily?
Most plastic-free packaging is recyclable, but you should separate materials correctly, for example, paper versus glass.
Will switching to plastic-free packaging change product quality?
Switching to plastic-free packaging rarely changes product quality. It mainly changes how the product is stored or transported.
What materials are most commonly used in plastic-free packaging?
Common materials include paper, cardboard, glass, aluminum, and plant-based fibers like bamboo or sugarcane.
How can companies transition without disrupting supply chains?
Companies can transition step by step, starting with easy swaps, like paper bags, before moving to complex packaging.
Are there international standards or certifications for plastic-free packaging?
Yes. Certifications exist, such as those for responsibly sourced paper and plastic-free certified labels.
What are the logistics challenges?
Logistics challenges include weight and durability. Glass is heavier, and paper can tear, so businesses must adapt.
Does plastic-free packaging truly reduce carbon emissions?
Yes. Plastic-free packaging reduces carbon emissions because it avoids fossil fuel plastics and often uses renewable materials.
What happens if plastic-free packaging ends up in landfill?
If it ends up in landfill, paper and plant-based packaging break down faster than plastic, reducing long-term pollution.
How does it affect marine ecosystems compared to traditional plastics?
Plastic-free packaging protects marine ecosystems. Unlike plastic, it does not create microplastics that harm fish and coral.
How much plastic waste reduction can be achieved globally, if widely adopted?
If widely adopted, plastic-free packaging could cut millions of tons of plastic waste each year, helping oceans, wildlife, and human health.
How does plastic-free packaging support wildlife protection?
Animals are less likely to ingest or become entangled in paper, glass, or plant-based packaging compared to plastic waste.
Can plastic-free packaging lower landfill waste?
Yes. Materials like paper and cardboard decompose faster, reducing the long-term buildup of waste in landfills.
Does using plastic-free packaging encourage recycling habits?
Yes. People are more likely to recycle glass, paper, and metal because they are widely accepted in recycling systems.
How does plastic-free packaging connect to climate change solutions?
It reduces reliance on fossil fuels used to make plastics, which lowers greenhouse gas emissions and supports climate protection goals.
Does plastic-free packaging reduce energy use in production?
Yes. Many plastic-free materials, like recycled paper or aluminum, require less energy to produce compared to new plastic made from fossil fuels.
How does plastic-free packaging influence air quality?
By reducing plastic manufacturing and incineration, it lowers harmful emissions, which helps improve air quality.
Does plastic-free packaging encourage innovation in sustainable design?
Absolutely. Companies are developing creative solutions, like edible films, plant-based wraps, and refill systems, to replace plastics.
How does plastic-free packaging benefit future generations?
It reduces long-lasting pollution, protects ecosystems, and ensures cleaner resources, creating a healthier environment for children and future communities.
Can plastic-free packaging support zero-waste lifestyles?
Yes. It often uses reusable or compostable materials, making it easier for people to live with less waste.
Why do some consumers hesitate to use plastic-free packaging?
Many worry about convenience. Plastic is lightweight and durable, so people fear alternatives may be less practical. However, modern eco-packaging is designed to balance convenience with sustainability.
Do people doubt the effectiveness of plastic-free packaging?
Some consumers wonder if it really makes a difference. In reality, every switch reduces plastic waste, protects wildlife, and lowers pollution. Small changes add up to a big environmental impact.